What did you buy?
I don't know
This
what we
looks like
bought.
something I would buy. I think we have a project on our hands. So how much do we pay for this thing?
$620.
How much is it gonna cost to fix it?
He's saying we're gonna spend 80,000, but honestly, I mean, I feel like it needs a lot of work.
The inside and the outside for 80,000.
We have to do it for 80,000.
Does the inside look like the outside?
It's not as nice
I
as the
don't know.
outside.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it needs a little bit of work.
What are you hoping to sell it for?
I'm thinking about 800.
Did you guys buy it cash? Did you get a loan?
We bought it cash.
We bought it cash. Yeah,
Yeah.
we put our life savings together.
All of our money saved up. Our money for the wedding came into this.
Well, when's the wedding?
We're getting married in 4 months from
Yeah.
today, basically.
Wait, how are you gonna pay for the wedding and you said all your money's in the house?
Well, this is supposed to close before we finalize all of our payments, but honestly, our honeymoon is not gonna happen if this isn't closed
It's all
because...
depending on this, really.
Yeah,
Is it a stinky house? What do we got?
No,
very
it's not
stinky,
It's not
yes.
stinky.
Okay,
What do you think?
Oof, I think we have water damage. Definitely roof leaks of some sort.
Yeah, for sure.
What kind of best price is your best man gonna give?
I hope about 8 grand or so.
If he can do your roof for 8 grand, I'm gonna hire him. Like,
Yeah.
I think you're more like 13 to 15.
For the whole roof, 13 feet? Oh, wow.
And then what were you guys thinking about doing with this wall right here?
Want to
I
open
mean,
it up to the kitchen.
I'm not a general contractor, but I'm thinking most likely load bearing. And if it is load bearing, it's not gonna be cheap.
What do you think the cost would be?
5 to 7,000?
Oh my gosh, it's double what I thought.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
double what
that
I
sounds
thought.
like a lot.
Yeah, and then what do we have? Oh, you have a huge dining room in here.
It's a large dining room, a little too big, I think.
The dining room's so big, you can actually build the kitchen out a little bit further this way.
Right.
Yeah.
I think we should make this kitchen bigger and make the dining room smaller. I
Good.
was thinking about closing up this wall here and making the entrance to the laundry room through here. That way I could use more cabinet space on this wall.
I like that. So then this right here, so that wall would be gone, and then cabinets running this way, cabinets running that way.
I just want us not to spend that much. You told me this wasn't gonna take long.
It's not
And
gonna
this
take
was gonna
long.
be fast and it's gonna be cheap.
It's not gonna be
No,
fast and it's not gonna be
cheap.
cheap.
But it's a
No.
must.
Oh, it's a must. It's just, you know, we have a wedding to get done and we only have an $80,000 budget. I don't think you're gonna have enough money to remove that wall.
Really?
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking around. This house needs a ton of work. This house needs a ton of work, and George, he just doesn't seem really confident in his numbers. Now that their contractor Hector's here, Yesenia and I are gonna leave these two buddies alone to see if they can come up with a realistic budget. I wanna find out just how well they work together when Yesenia's not there to keep an eye on them.
What do you think?
It's load bearing.
Think it's load bearing?
Yeah, it's a ceiling joist right here.
Oh, man.
Nice galvanized plumbing too.
I read it was copper.
No.
Ah, you gotta be kidding me, dude.
Electric too, right? There's no ground on any of these outlets.
What do you mean there's no ground?
There's no ground.
So what does that mean?
We need new electrical.
All of it?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Yesenia's gonna kill me. Cover patio. What do you think?
I mean, I don't think it's up to code. I don't think we can keep it.
A lot of money on this, man. You gotta help me out here.
My guess is Hector's estimate isn't going as well as George hoped. But the first step to get everything on track is to get everyone on the same page when it comes to the budget. You walk the property, kind of look through everything, so we've been dying to know
Yeah.
how much do you think it's gonna cost to fix up the house?
It's gonna be about 130,000 maybe.
There's no way.
130.
Can't happen.
That's what I'm thinking. Best case, yeah.
But when we mentioned it the other day, you said, no problem, we'll get it done. Like,
It's
I'll
true.
do it for you.
Yeah, you also mentioned it was just cosmetic, and now we got to redo the whole bones of this place.
Yeah, I mean, I knew it was gonna be high, and that's kind of the range I was thinking. So let's go over the numbers really quick. You guys paid $620,000 for the house. The rehab, $130,000. You have no holding costs because you guys bought it cash. You have closing costs and commissions of about $40,000, which gives you a break even of $790,000. And you were hoping to sell for $8,000. In our worst case scenario, you make $10,000.
Yeah.
Definitely won't be worth it. So
No.
Yeah.
two things we need to hope for. One, we spend less than we're thinking. And two, we
Yes.
sell for more than we're thinking.
And get it done faster.
Hector went to the city to find out if the patio was permitted. Unfortunately, it's not permitted. So we took Tarek's advice. We're gonna tear it down because getting it permitted will cost way too much money.
You guys are actually moving pretty fast because I was here, I think, less than 2 weeks ago.
Yep.
The roof's off, the patio cover's down, the landscaping's tore up.
That's right. We have a ton of work on the outside with landscaping, painting, fencing. So I worked out a deal with Hector that he worries about the inside, and I get to subcontract the work on the outside, and save myself thousands of dollars and, hopefully make more profit from that.
What about the landscaping? Because, I mean, there's a ton of work back here.
Yeah, I subbed it out. It's getting done. They just need to throw all this away and clean it up a little bit.
And what's the bid on that?
7.
Okay, so...
7,000.
I mean, if they can do all this, make it look like a nice yard, landscaping, planters, all that, flowers for $7,000, I say it's a good deal.
Well, we're gonna do a bit of landscaping in the end, too, though.
Oh, you're gonna come out here and actually do landscaping?
Just some. In the end, I always...
Like you're gonna dig holes and put fertilizer?
Yeah, I do.
No, he's gonna tell me to dig the hole,
no.
and he's just gonna come and plant the flower.
At least he's
all.
communicating.
Yeah.
See, yeah, there you go.
He's getting a little better. He's
We're
getting
getting
a little
somewhere.
better.
We're getting
Yeah.
somewhere.
Okay, how's the inside looking?
Let's go take a look.
All right.
Wait to see what we did with the restroom.
This was the primary in here, right?
That's right.
Yes.
I remember last time we would walk in and it would like zigzag. Oh, you guys changed things around.
Yeah, we
Yes.
did quite a bit. There was a closet where we're standing now, and another closet going this way, and another closet in this little corner there.
Okay, so what is the new plan?
This is gonna be a closet where I'm at, and hopefully shoe rack where you're at.
And then what are we doing in here?
We're gonna make this shower 2 times bigger than what
Okay.
it was. We're moving the toilet this way and making a dual sink. And I see the door is on that side.
Well, I didn't like the way it was. So we talked about it, and we just came up with this idea, so I'm hoping it works.
I mean, do you guys think it would work to make this a walk-in closet? Put a door right here, so this is how you get into the bathroom, this is how you get into the closet? That's probably what I would have
Oh, I
done.
didn't think about
That's
that.
actually a good idea.
Yeah.
That's why you're you.
I think,
Practice.
yeah.
Yeah, for sure. No, that's a good idea.
How are you two? How we feeling?
Good.
Excited, nervous.
Scared.
So this is where we find out what buyers really think of your work.
Nice
Oh,
neighborhood.
I like the door.
I would have preferred for it to be a different color.
No, I like it.
I like that you guys left it that natural wood.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at the chimney. I love that.
Oh, they love it.
I love the fireplace design, the sticks.
It looks super cool, it stands out, it pops, and it wasn't expensive.
You have the peninsula here, nice and open.
Yeah, I like how big it is, how you can sit right here, and then people can still be in the living room.
So this is good. They're talking about how they would live in the space.
Yeah.
As they're buying signs.
Yes.
I love the backsplash.
Oh yeah, the backsplash is nice. It's a nice color.
Yeah, Sandy, everybody loves your kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah, she did a good job.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Oh, thank you.
3 bedrooms. They're nice size.
So there's no closet here.
There isn't a
it's-
closet here.
So I don't know if it's considered a bedroom.
What shape is that, Lorenzo? What shape is that on the floor? That's a hexagon. It looks so nice.
Okay,
Oh, they
There you
liked
go.
it.
so they love this bathroom.
Bedroom. Same thing, the closet thing is like if you enclose it,
That's
Hector
it.
about
We
this
gotta
one.
talk to Hector. Yeah.
You're never gonna hear the
because-
end of these doors.
Yeah,
No.
we're not gonna hear the end of it.
Nightmares
yeah.
on these doors tonight.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh.
And it matches the chimney too.
Yeah, it's a nice accent.
It looks so much better separating the closet from the
Oh,
bathroom.
it did for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, and now because you did that, you guys put that really cool, like, secret door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For being a primary bedroom, it's pretty small.
Yeah, I mean, for a 1,400 square foot house, it's a good sized
It's a
primary.
good,
though.
yeah.
Look at the hexagons again on the floor, just like in the other restroom. Yeah, the shower's really nice.
She likes the colors.
Yeah.
Traditionally, I wouldn't have gone with that style.
Yeah.
I haven't gone with browns in a long time.
I know it's been years, huh?
Yeah.
But the buyers are loving it.
That's good.
I love the sliding doors to walk out.
So I remember there used to be that enclosed patio in the back. It would have
No.
not let as much sunlight go in as it is now.
Yeah.
And no matter how much time, effort, money you spent on that room, it never would have matched the rest of the house.
No,
you're right.
it wouldn't have.
George and Yesenia's married life is off to an amazing start. Right after their beautiful wedding in Mexico, they received an offer on the house for $850,000.